timing, love, we might fuck, shit,
I even focus on the door.
Then we'll be waiting for it.
Really give a damn about what they talking about.
You think you can come into my home, sit in my father's chair, and threaten my dragon?
Damn about what they talking